sunset in Corpus Christi. Sun's down there. Probably getting sustained winds of about maybe 30, 25 miles per hour. Probably 15, 20 right now. Probably gusting occasionally to 25. But this is the sunset here. Right now. Oh, electric sunset here. Incredible. And just to think, a few hours from now, weather's going to be completely different than it is now. Hope everybody's staying safe, hunkering down, taking the necessary precautions, and just staying put. And like I said, the storm's supposed to be, the storm's supposed to be here at about 1 p.m. Central Time, give or take, as of the latest advisory. That may change a little bit throughout the next few hours here. Depends if it slows down more, if it starts to quickly, if it starts to move faster now. In terms of tropical storm force winds, those are going to start happening at around 8 or 9 in the morning tomorrow. So preparations should be rushed to completion here. Let me just do a little pan around here. What it looks like right now. And you got that electric sunset going on right there. Absolutely beautiful. Stay safe, everyone.